You may have had potato au gratin before, but this is turnip au gratin. When cooked, turnips have a very similar texture to potatoes, and it adds a little bit of almost pepperiness, slightly like a horseradish, but not overpowering, just slightly. I just cut off each root end, and that way it just gives me something stable to work with as the flat side, that cut side, goes down on the cutting board. And just cut as thin as possible. Try to go for about 2 to 3 millimeters. Once you have it all sliced up into a buttered dish, you're going to go ahead and layer these just kind of like a lasagna. You're just going to overlap each slice of turnip. And once you get a layer down, go ahead and season it up. Some salt, pepper, some herbs like fresh thyme or even dried thyme, and then some cheese. I'm using a sharp white cheddar. Then go back down with all your layers till you finish on top with some cheddar cheese, some parmesan cheese. Wrap in foil and bake, and then turn on the broil to get all bubbly and brown and good. Let it rest for about 5 to 8 minutes and then cut in, and you have a delicious side.